So tomorrow when you practice, you're going to do one of those self-checking activities where you type in the answer and the box changes from yellow to either red if you're wrong or green if you're right. But today, I'd like to practice by having you work through this second video, just so if you're getting the wrong answers, you can then hear my explanations and try to figure out what you're doing wrong. Just because, again, this notation I think is a little bit tricky, and I want to make sure we're really good with this. So on a piece of paper, I'd like you to copy down these four functions. F of x equals x minus 3, g of x equals 4 minus x, h of x equals 3x minus 2, and j of x equals negative 2x plus 4. And I'll make the video pause so you can copy those down. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a problem, and I want to see what you can do with it. You're going to send your answers into Edpuzzle. First one I'd like you to do, please go find f of 2. F of 2 should be 2 minus 3. We'll go and I'll change my signs. But again, if you just want to go to the calculator, that is also okay. 2 plus negative 3 should give me a negative 1 for that answer. F of 2 is negative 1. You go find g of 3. G of 3 is 4 minus 3. Oh, that's not bad. 4 minus 3 should just give us 1. You go find h of 5. H of 5 is 3 times 5 minus 2. Well, 3 times 5, that's 15, so 15 minus 2 will give me 13. Number 4, please go find j of 6. J of 6 is negative 2 times 6 plus 4. That's negative 12 plus 4. That's going to give me, subtract them, 12 minus 4 is 8. The 12 was bigger. That's going to give me negative 8. Please go find g of negative 2. G of negative 2 is 4 minus negative 2. Change, change. G of negative 2 should be 6. Please find f of negative 4. F of negative 4 is negative 4 minus 3. Make this a plus and then a negative 4. Negative 4 plus negative 3 should give me negative 7. Please find h of negative 3. H of negative 3 is 3 times negative 3 minus 2. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 minus 2. Negative 9 minus negative 2 should give you negative 11. Number 8, j of negative 8. Try that one. J of negative 8 is negative 2 times negative 8 plus 4. Negative 2 times negative 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 will give you 20. These next ones you're going to probably want a calculator for. I'd like you to go do h of 52. Go grab your calculator, show your work, and see what you can do. So this is 3 times 52 minus 2. 3 times 52, that's 156 minus 2, I'm going to get 154. Definitely one you'd want a calculator on, I would think. I'd like you to find g of negative 19. Keep using your calculator. G of negative 19 is 4 minus negative 19. To use the calculator, you can just type it in. Otherwise, I'm going to go and just change my signs. And I'll get 23 out of that. Number 11, f of negative 203. That's negative 203 minus 3. Could go and make my two changes if I want, or I can just use the calculator, and I'm going to get negative 206. Number 12, j of 82. Use the calculator. This is negative 2 times 82 plus 4. Negative 2 times 82 should give me negative 164 plus 4, or negative 160. Two more. Let's find f of 6 minus, oh no, not minus, let's make it plus, plus h of 6 plus j of 6. Remember that to do these, you're going to do the 3 separate parts. You're going to find f of 6 and h of 6 and j of 6, and then add those answers together. So for starters, I'm going to find f of 6, which is 6 minus 3, or 3. I'm then going to find h of 6. That's 3 times 6 minus 3. That's 18 minus 3, or 15. Finally, j of 6 is negative 2 times 6 plus 4. Negative 12 plus 4 will give me negative 8. So that original problem I wanted you to do is 3 plus 15 minus 8, or really plus negative 8, I guess. 3 plus 15 is 18 plus a negative 8 will give me 10. One final one, and I'm going to make this one a little tricky. How about g of negative 5 minus h of 3 minus j of negative 1. This is as tough as I'm going to make them. See what you can do. If you can do this, you're in great shape. G of negative 5 is 4 minus negative 5. Change, change. It's 9. H of 3 is 4 minus 3. That's 1. And j of negative 1, negative 2 times negative 1 plus 4. That's 2 plus 4. That's 6. So that original problem is now 9 minus 1 minus 6. I'll go from left to right. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 6 is giving me 2 for our final answer. If you still have time in the period, you can use this time to start looking at that homework.